Hello everyone, how are you? I'm hoping you guys are doing great, and from this lecture we are going to discuss about HV stack, means how to concatenate different numpy arrays, either row wise or column wise or in any dimension we want to add it, how we can add it. So without wasting any time, just jump into the lecture and I will see you on the other side. So as you can see, this is the notebook that we have created with the name as array merging, right? We are having some arrays that we are going to merge. For that purpose, let's quickly import numpy as in p, and let's start writing the code, or let's start initializing few arrays. So I'm initializing array 1 and I'm writing np.array, and here I'm initializing a two-dimensional array. Okay, 1 2 3 4 is the first elements, and after that I'm creating 5 6 7 and 8. These are the first these are the 8 elements that I've created for the first one-dimensional list, and I'm also creating array number 2 with the same case. Okay, I'm writing the reverse of it, 8 7 6 5, and here I'm writing 4 3 2 1. Okay, so here I've created two arrays and both of them are giving you an array and problem or error because I have made a mistake in the names. So if I'm writing arr of 1, which is nothing but the array 1, so this is what we are getting, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. This is the shape of the array. After that, if I am talking about array 2, so this is the shape of the array, or this is the array 2 as well. Now what we are going to do, we are going to concatenate them either horizontally or vertically. Okay, or we can either concatenate directly as well. So now let's see how to concatenate them. To concatenate them, we are having few functions called as hstack and vstack. Okay, let's discuss about first of all vstack to concatenate both of them vertically. For that purpose, I am having a function named as vstack, np.vstack. Okay, here I am having few parameters, but I am going to just pass two parameters like what I want to stack. I want to stack my array 1 with array 2. Okay, make sure to write them in the same order. So if I are executing it, so here you can see what we are getting. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 is written here till here, which is my first array. After that, from 8 to 1, we are having second array, means we have stacked both of them vertically. First array 1 is on the top, array 2 is at the bottom. Now what if I want to make array 2 at the top, 1 at the bottom? Just reverse this process, 2 and 1, and boom, you are getting the elements in the opposite order. So this is how you can stack them vertically. Now you might think how to we know how to stack them vertically. Now just tell me how to stack them horizontally. For that purpose, we are having h stack. Okay, and now you can see both of them are stacked horizontally, right? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 1 2 3 4 till here, and 5 6 7 8 till here. After that, we are having 8 7 6 5, which is here from 8 7 6 5 to 4 3 2 1, from here to here. This is how we can h stack, we can perform h stack, which is horizontally stack. Okay, what if we want to do the reverse of it? To do the reverse of it, the process is going to be really simple. 2 and 1 and run, and this is what you will get. Okay, 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1, and at the end 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. This is how to concatenate them or stack both of them in the same order. Now you can also use some other function like concatenation, or which is something that we'll use for concatenating the string. The performance or the work is going to be the same, but here you can use indexing. Okay, so let's start working on that particular part as well. np.concatenate is going to be the function. Okay, concatenate function is something that we are going to use here. Here you can see we can apply basically two functions, like basically two parameters. First of them is going to be what I want to concatenate. I want to concatenate obviously going to be strings in the tuple format, means in brackets, and the second is going to be the access. So let's perform. First of all, I want to write array 1 and array 2, right? And second is going to be the access. Now if the axis is 0, right, if the axis is 0, then we are going to perform horizontal stack or vertical stack. For 0 axis we are going to perform vertical stack. For 1 axis we are going to perform horizontal stack. You will get to know about this from the documentation as well, right? So they must have given you about the axis, like axis, like it is written here, axis which is array belongs to join. If axis is none, array is flattened before the used. By default it is 0. Okay, so by default the axis is 0. So if I'm performing 0 here, so here you can see array is not defined. Okay, I need to define ARR2 because we are having nothing as array. This is either array 1 or array 2. So you can see if the axis is 0, they are vertically stacked. If the axis is 1, they are stacked horizontally. Yes, so this is how you can concatenate them. Now the question might be, now we know how to concatenate the string, but just tell me how to split the strings or split the arrays. Like if we are having an array, okay, let's do one thing. Let's take this array which is ARR. I am writing ARR here. Okay, so if I'm writing this array, so this is the array that we are having. They are having 4 rows, 4 columns. Now just tell me how to split them. To split them, we are again having a function to split. We can split them horizontally as well as vertically. This is just a reverse process of VStack and SStack. We are having, for VStack we are having VSplit, for SStack we are having SSplit. Very, very simple. So let's go for it now. So what we are going to do, we are going to use np dot hsplit. Split is the function that we are going to use. Here we are having only the parameter what I want to split. I want to split my original array which is ARR. I want to split it in 2 halves, let's suppose, horizontally. So if I'm executing it, what I'm getting 1 2 5 6 8 7 4 3. Means from here till here we are having one element, I would say first dimension, and here you can see from here to here means okay 3 4 7 8 6 5 2 1. 3 4 7 8 6 5 2 1. This is means we are having an array of shape 4 by 4 that we have reshaped into 4 by 2 and 4 by 2, 2 4 by 2s. Okay, similarly what we can do, if you want to do it, we can also split it vertically. Okay, and you can see the difference now. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 is at the first index. Like here you can see bracket open bracket close, and here bracket open bracket close here. So you can split them horizontally as well as vertically. That totally depends upon you what you want to do it with it. Clear? So yes, these are all the operations that we can perform on Numpy array for stacking and splitting. So just to summarize the session, we have created 2 arrays, array 1 and array 2, with the shape 2 cross 4, 2 rows, 4 columns. Okay, and yes, after that what we have done, we have applied VStack, means vertical stack we have applied, and we have merged them into 2 by 4 into 4 by 1 4 by 4. Means from 2 by 4 into 1 4 by 4. Okay, after that what we have done, we have performed stack on it, which will make a 2 by 8. Okay, after that we have also performed them the reverse of it, how to means how to take array 2 first and after that array 1. After that we have used concatenation operation rather than stack and vstack, how we can use concatenation operation for the same. After performing it, what we have done, about hsplit and vsplit, which is just a reverse of stack and vstack. So that's pretty much it about this particular video. If you guys are having any doubt, you can ask us in the discussion or chat box, or so-called, I would say, comment box. So yes, that's pretty much it. If you guys are having doubt, you can ask us. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next lecture with the new programs. Check it in. Bye.